Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says, find the value of x in 9 raised to the power of x equals to 36. So we are going to find the value of x. So we have solution. So divide our board into 2. We are given 9 raised to the power of x equals to 36. Here we are looking for the value of x. For us, to find the value of x, we use log to find the value of x. So we say apply log to both sides. So in this case, it's going to be log 9 raised to the power of x equals to log 36. Here we can recall that, say note, when we have log a raised to the power of r is the same thing as r log a. So in this case, this x can come in front of the log. So this is what it means. So we have x log 9 equals to log 36. This is 36 and 9 is a factor of 36. So we have here 36 is the same thing as 9 times 4. So we can substitute 9 times 4 in the place of 36. So we have x log 9 equals to log 9 times 4. So this is what it means. In this case, for us to make the x the subject of this expression, we will divide through by log 9. So we say divide all through by log 9. So here will become x log 9 all over log 9 equals to log 9 times 4 all over log 9. In this case, log 9 will cancel here 1, log 9 will cancel here 1. So we are now left with x. So our x equals to log 9 times 4 all over log 9. Here we have 9 times 4 here, and we have 9 here. So here, we from the law of logarithm, when we have log a times b is the same thing as log a plus log b. So this is what it means. So we are going to express this in this form. So here will become x equals to log 9 plus log 4 all over log 9. And here, this is the LCM of these two. This can be splitted into log 9 and log 4. So this will become x equals to log 9 all over log 9 plus log 4 all over log 9. So the LCM is splitted into log 9 and log 4. So in this case, log 9 will cancel here and log 9 will cancel here, become 1. So our x will be equals to 1 plus log 4. This log 4 equals to 2 raised to the power of 2, and also 9 equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. We are going to substitute that into where we have 4 and 9. So here will be log 2 raised to the power of 2 all over log 3 raised to the power of 2. So we move over to this other side, clean this. So here, our x equals to, this is 1 plus log 2 raised to the power of 2. We can express it. Okay, we say note, let's recall, when we have log a raised to the power of x is the same thing as x log a. So this x will come in front. This is what it means. So here for log 2 raised to the power of 2 will become 2 log 2 all over, the same thing here will become 2 log 3. So this is what we have. So we have 2 here and we have 2 here. So both of them will cancel each other. So we are now left with x equals to 1 plus log 2 all over log 3. So we need to find the value of log 2 and log 3, where we have log 2 equals to 0.301 and also log 3 equals to 0.4771. Our x here will become 1 plus 0.3010 all over 0.4771. So in that case, when we divide this, we are going to have x equals to 1 plus, we divide this, is going to give us 0.6308. And 1 plus this is same thing as 1.6308. So this is the value of our x on this expression, 1.6308. So the next one, we have 1 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 4 raised to the power of y. Find the value of y. So in this case, we are going to find the value of y. So we have solution. We divide our both into 2. So we are given 1 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 4 raised to the power of y. So here we have all to the power of y. What we are going to do, we divide both sides by 4 raised to the power of y. So here will become 1 raised to the power of y all over 4 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y all over 4 raised to the power of y equals to 4 raised to the power of y all over 4 raised to the power of y. Here, this will cancel here 1, this will cancel here 1. So we are now left with 1 all over 4 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y all over 4 raised to the power of y equals to 1. We recall that when we have a note, we have a raised to the power of x all over b raised to the power of x is the same thing as a all over b all raised to the power of x. So this one will become 1 all over 4 all raised to the power of y plus 2 all over 4 all raised to the power of y equals to 1. Here we have 1 all over 4 here. So 4 is the same thing as 2 times 2, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2. So we can substitute that into this place. So we have 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 2 all to the power of y plus this one, 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here 2. So we have 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of y equals to 1. We have 1. 1 is the same thing as 1 raised to the power of 2. So we can as well write here as 1 all over 1 raised to the power of 2 all over 2 raised to the power of 2 all to the power of y plus 1 all over 2 all to the power of y equals to 1. We say note, when we have a raised to the power of m all to the power of m is the same thing as a raised to the power of m all to the power of n. So this m, n, and m can interchange. So here is the same thing as where we have 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 2, then all to the power of y plus 1 all over 2 all to the power of y equals to 1. So as we said here, these 2 can go here and y can go here. So here will become 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y all to the power of 2 plus 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y equals to 1. So you can see we have 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y and 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y. So we say let 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y equals to x. So we are going to substitute the value of x into this expression. So it will become, so as we clean this, so here, when we substitute x into here, it will become x squared plus x equals to 1. This one can be transposed into this other side. So we have x squared plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Here we will use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. So here will be recall that we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case, our a equals to 1 here. Then our b equals to 1. This is b. Then our c equals to minus 1. So our x here equals to b is 1, which is minus 1, plus or minus square root of b here is 1 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1 times minus 1, all over 2 times 1. So here will become x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus, this is 4 times 1 is minus 4, all over 2. So this will become, this is the same thing as x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 minus minus 4 is 5, all over 2. So we clean here, move over to this other side. So as we said, we have x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. So this is what we have. Here, x has two values, positive and negative. So we take one after the other. So we have x equals to, this is going to be square root of 5 minus 1, then all over 2, or we have minus 1 minus square root of 5 all over 2. So that is the two value of x. We take the first positive one and we take the negative one. But in the positive side, this plus, this minus 1, we move over to this other side. As we have, it's the same thing as when we have x equals to minus 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. So in this case, we write square root of 5 first before we add minus 1. That's why we have this. So here, we can see that we have x square root of 5. For example, when we have square root of 4 is 2. So when we minus 1 from here, the whole of this is a positive sign. And if you have here, we have minus. Whatever you have here is minus. So this side, we have here as x here, which is positive, equals to the answer here, which is negative. And it is not acceptable. So this other side, the whole of this one is rejected because the answer is negative. We have negative answer. That's why it is rejected. So we are going to take on this other side where we have x equals to root 5 minus 1 all over 2. So in that case, we have x equals to root 5 minus 1 all over 2. But we recall that we had 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of y equals to x. And our value of x is this. So here will be 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of y equals to root 5 minus 1 all over 2. Here we can apply log to both sides for us to find the value of y. So this will become log 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of y equals to log root 5 minus 1 all over 2. So here will become, we recall when we have log a raised to the power of x is the same thing as x log a. So this one can move to this other side. Let's clean this. So we have, so by substituting this, so here will become y, because this y will move to this other side, log 1 all over 2 equals to log root 5 minus 1 all over 2. For us to find the value of y, we divide all through by log 1 all over 2. So that will become, this is all over log 1 all over 2, and this is log 1 all over 2. This one will cancel here, and this one will cancel here. But now left with y equals to log root 5 minus 1 all over 2. Then all log 1 all over 2. So here, we have the two log divided each other. So this one can be written as, we recall, we note when we have log A all over log B. We can rewrite it as log A base B. So expressing this in this form or expressing this in this form, so our y will become log root 5 minus 1 all over 2 base 1 all over 2. So this is what we have. This is base 1 all over 2. So this is the value of our y from this expression. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.